Did you know you can actually get paid to watch videos, movies, and other digital content? It might sound too good to be true, but it's real. Today, we're diving into 5 legitimate ways you can earn money, up to $500 a month, just by watching digital products. Stick around to learn how to turn your screen time into a profitable side hustle. Welcome to the Gold Wave Network. In this video, we'll explore 5 real ways to get paid for watching digital content. From survey sites to user testing and streaming platforms, there are various opportunities you can leverage to make some extra cash. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or just want to make your downtime more productive, we've got you covered. Number 1. Paid survey and market research sites. First up, paid survey and market research sites. Platforms like Swagbucks, InboxDollars, and Vindale Research pay users to watch videos and ads, then provide feedback. Here's how it works. Swagbucks. Earn points, called SB, for watching short videos, which you can redeem for gift cards or cash through PayPal. Average earnings are around $50 to $100 per month, depending on your activity. InboxDollars. Get paid in cash for watching a variety of content, including news clips, entertainment, and ads. You also get a $5 sign-up bonus. Average earnings can range from $30 to $50 per month. Vindale Research. While primarily a survey site, Vindale also offers video watching opportunities that pay in cash. You can earn approximately $20 to $50 per month. Tips for maximizing earnings. Consistently check for new videos and ads. Complete all available tasks, such as surveys and offers, to boost your earnings. Use multiple platforms to increase your opportunities. Number 2. User testing websites. Next, let's talk about user testing websites. Platforms like User Testing and Try My UI pay you to test websites and apps. Here's how it works. User testing. You'll watch and interact with a website or app while providing your feedback. Each test typically takes 10-20 minutes and pays around $10. Active users can earn between $100 to $200 per month. Try My UI. Similar to user testing, Try My UI pays you to test and review websites and apps. You'll need to record your screen and voice as you navigate the site. Average earnings range from $50 to $100 per month. Tips for success. Be thorough and articulate your thoughts clearly. Pay attention to details and provide constructive feedback. Make sure your testing environment is quiet and free from distractions. Number 3. Streaming platforms. Another way to get paid is through exclusive programs offered by streaming platforms and apps. Services like Netflix Tagger or Amazon Preview invite select users to watch and review content. Although these are more challenging to get approved, we thought it still deserved a spot on our list. Here's how you can get involved. Netflix Tagger. As a tagger, you watch Netflix content and categorize it by tags. This helps improve the recommendation algorithm. These positions are rare and competitive, with potential earnings around $30,000 to $40,000 annually if you secure a full-time position. Amazon Preview. Amazon occasionally recruits members for its Preview program, where you get to watch and review unreleased content. Check Amazon's website and job boards for openings. Earnings vary, but part-time reviewers can make around $50 to $200 per month. Tips for getting in. Regularly check the careers pages of these companies. Network with industry professionals who might have insights or referrals. Tailor your resume and application to highlight relevant skills and experience. Number 4. Cashback and Reward Apps. You can also earn money by using cashback and reward apps like Rakuten and MyPoints that pay you for watching promotional videos and ads. Here's how it works. Rakuten. Primarily known for cashback on purchases, Rakuten also offers opportunities to earn points by watching videos, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Earnings from video watching can range from $20 to $50 per month. MyPoints. Earn points by watching videos and ads, which you can redeem for gift cards or cash through PayPal. Average monthly earnings are around $30 to $60. Tips for maximizing rewards. Use these apps regularly to take advantage of all available opportunities. Combine video watching with other earning methods on the platform, such as shopping and surveys. Refer friends to earn bonus points. Number 5. Get paid to watch ads with apps like Slidejoy and Perk. Apps like Slidejoy and Perk reward you for watching ads on your smartphone. Here's how it works. Slidejoy. After installing the app, you'll see ads on your lock screen. Swipe to engage with the ad and earn points, which you can redeem for cash or gift cards. Average earnings are about $5 to $20 per month. Perk. This app lets you earn points by watching videos, ads, and completing other tasks. Points can be exchanged for various rewards. Active users can earn around $20 to $50 per month. Here are some tips for earning more. Make it a habit to watch ads during your downtime. Engage with high-paying ads and complete additional tasks within the app. Use multiple ad-watching apps to maximize your earnings. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching, and here's an extra way to make money through You-Cubez. You-Cubez pays users to watch short clips and ads. Here's how it works. Watch video ads and earn Cube points, which you can redeem for cash or rewards. Average earnings range from $10 to $30 per month, depending on your activity. Tips for getting started. Sign up on the You-Cubez website and complete your profile. Watch ads regularly and participate in other available activities to maximize earnings. These methods are great ways to make quick income in a pinch. Whether you need some extra cash for an unexpected expense or want to boost your monthly income, spending a few minutes each day watching videos and ads can add up over time. By combining several of these methods, you can increase your earnings and make the most out of your screen time. To sum up, getting paid to watch digital products and online content is a legitimate and easy way to make some extra cash. Whether you choose survey sites, user testing, streaming platforms, cashback apps, or ad-watching apps, there are plenty of opportunities out there. On average, you can earn anywhere from $20 to $500 a month, depending on your dedication and the platforms you use. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the Gold Wave Network for more tips on making money online. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you, and if you're interested in learning about the stock market or real estate investment, check out these videos. Until next time.